Muskogee County of east central Oklahoma until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Boynton to 3 miles southwest of Quinton, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes,